Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you all are fine. ठीक है आप सब लोग, कैसे हैं आप? जी मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब ठीक ठाक होंगे. Good. So friends, can you see so many colorful things on the table? आपको टेबल के ऊपर बहुत सारी रंग बिरंगी चीजें नजर आ रही हैं. And you know why I have placed these things on the table? पता है आपको ये क्यों रखी है टेबल के ऊपर चीजें? Yes, it's because we are going to count them. इन चीजों को काउंट करना है. Then we will do an activity and you will help me to solve और कंप्लीट दिस एक्टिविटी. ठीक है, आपने मेरी मदद करनी है इस एक्टिविटी को कंप्लीट करने में. सो इन दिस एक्टिविटी व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड वन मोर एंड देन काउंट. अब हम इस एक्टिविटी में क्या करने जा रहे हैं? ये इतनी सारी चीजें हैं ना, आपको नजर आ रही हैं. सो व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू डू, वी विल सिलेक्ट वन any one thing, कोई भी एक चीज हम सिलेक्ट करेंगे. देन वी विल ऐड वन मोर, फिर एक और उसमें वैसी ही चीज एक और सिलेक्ट करेंगे. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल काउंट देम हाउ मेनी ऑल टुगेदर. ठीक है, समझ आ गई गेम की? हम एक चीज सिलेक्ट करेंगे. इट कैन बी अ पेंसिल और इट कैन बी अ पिक्चर, एनीथिंग और एनी फ्लावर फ्रॉम दिस बंच. ये जो आपको फ्लावर्स नजर आ रहे, थ्रेड के फ्लावर्स बनाए हुए. यस, हम इसमें से कोई एक सिलेक्ट करेंगे, एनी कलर, और फिर उसमें एक और ऐड करेंगे और फिर काउंट करेंगे कि हाउ मेनी नाउ. राइट? ओके, सो आर यू रेडी? गुड. सो किड्स, we will start from these colorful flowers. So which color we will use first? आप बताएं कौन सा कलर इसमें से चूज करें हम सबसे पहले? ओके, येलो. Which color is this? Which color is this? Yes, it's yellow. इसको उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? जी हाँ, पीला रंग कहते हैं. सो वी हैव दिस येलो फ्लावर, ये यहाँ पे रखते हैं. एंड देन वी विल ऐड वन मोर येलो फ्लावर. इसमें एक और येलो फ्लावर ढूंढते हैं. इसमें से कहाँ है? वेयर द अदर वन, कहाँ पे है? फाइंड आउट करें जल्दी से. यस, स्टॉप. This is another one. So we have one yellow flower, and so kids, first it was one. ये पहले ये एक है हमारे पास, and when we have added another one, एक और ऐड किया है. How many now? अब कितने हैं ये? 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's 2 now. So I think now you have clear idea what we are going to do. पता चल गया ना हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? Good. So now we will select another flower. Okay kids, select the color, any color. Okay, it's which color is this? Which color is this? Yes, it's white and red. It's white and red. It's one, and now we are going to add one more. अब हम इसमें क्या करने जा रहे हैं? We are going to add one more. So we will find out the same color. This is the same color. white and red. So kids, shades are little different, कुछ थोड़ा सा different shades है, otherwise these are the same, white and red, white and red. So now 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it's 2 now. Now what we are going to select after flowers, now we are going to select from pencils. As you can see here, we have some pencils, colorful pencils. So now we are going to select one, any color, कोई एक color select करेंगे. So we are going to select this blue one. It's one. ये कितनी pencils हैं? How many pencils? Yes, it's one. One. And now we are going to add one more with same color. We are going to add this one. How many now? अब कितनी हो गई? How many now? 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's 2 now. Okay, now we are going to select another color. So now we are going to select this green color. Now how many pencils do we have? One. And now we are going to select the other one. We are going to add one more. How many now? अब हमने एक और पेंसिल ऐड कर दी है ना. अब कितने बन गए? We have added one more pencil. Now how many now? 1 2 1 2 1 2. It's 2. So kids, we have 2 yellow flowers, 2 white and red flowers, 2 blue pencils, 2 green pencils. Now what else? We will select another color. कोई और color बताएं? Okay, we are going to choose this pink one. We have this pink pencil. So what we are going to do now? Yes, we are going to add one more. अब हम क्या करने चाह रहे हैं? Yes, we are going to add one more pink pencil. How many now? अब कितनी हो गई हमारे पास? Yes, we have 2 now. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Good. So here we have sets of 2. We have 2 flower. We have again 2 flower, 2 blue pencils, 2 green pencils, 2 pink pencils. Now I hope you have understood the game. समझ आ गई ना? अच्छे तरीके से समझ आ गया. अब हम क्या करने जा रहे हैं? Good. So we will continue the same activity with different pictures. So kids, as you can see, we have so many pictures here. So first of all, we will select this one. What is this? Yes, it's a cupcake. What is this? It's a cupcake. So I'm going to place this cupcake here. And now we are going to add one more. This is another one. How many now? अब ये कितने हो गए हमारे पास? 1 2 1, 2, 1, 2. We had 2 now. 1 and 2. We have 2 now. Good. After that, what we are going to select? Okay, this elephant. What is this? Oh, it's so cute, baby elephant. So, here we have one elephant, and now we are going to select, और we are going to add one more. एक और ऐड करने जा रहे हैं. So, how many now? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We have 2 now. कितने हो गए हमारे पास elephants? Yes, 2 elephants. So, what else? Okay, lion. What is this? It's a lion. It's 1. So now I am going to add one more. It's one more. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many now? 1, 2. 1, 2. It's 2 now. So we have 2 cupcakes, we have 2 elephants, and we have 2 lions. And what else? Here we have bananas, but we have only one picture of that, so we cannot add. अभी इसमें हमारे पास एक ही पिक्चर है ना, इसमें हम ऐड नहीं कर सकते. Okay, so we have this cat, and now we are going to place this cat here. यहाँ पे रखते. So now what we are going to do? Add one more. Very good. We are going to add one more. So this is another one. So now we have same cats. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. We have 2 now. So kids, as you can see, पहले हमारे पास एक एक चीज़ थी, हमने उसमें एक एक और ऐड किया सेम. So after adding the same one, how many do we have? Yes, 2. 2 blue pencils, 2 green pencils, 2 pink pencils, 2 yellow flowers, 2 white and red flowers, 2 green cupcakes, 2 elephants, 2 cats, and 2 lions. Good. So I hope you have understood the concept. हमने क्या किया है? Yes, we have added one more and then count them. हमने एक और ऐड किया है और उसको काउंट किया है. Right? Okay, now what we are going to do now, on our math book 2, page number 1, we are going to draw one more. ऐसे आपको नज़र आ रहा है? Here we are going to draw one more, and how many now? अब आपने क्या करना है? एक और सेम चीज़ यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करनी है, ऐसे, like this, and then count them. 1, 2, 1, 2, and you have to write 2 in this box. So what you are going to do? You are going to write 2 in this box. ठीक है, ये समझ में आ गया आपको? Good. And after that, you just have to color 2 red and 2 blue, and 2 red and 1 blue. Okay, got it? So complete this page and send it to me. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.